Want to add calculators, quizzes, or interactive tools to your Shopify store without touching a single line of code? In this video, we'll show you how to use the Canva AI Code Generator to create smart, embeddable widgets and import them into your Shopify store using Canvify. Think shipping calculators, discount checkers, product quizzes, all created with a few simple sentences. Here are a few examples we've created using Canva code. The first one is a carton pricing calculator that takes a few parameters and creates the cost. Another cool thing I just made is this smart sunglasses suggestion tool for your store. It takes a few inputs like face shape, style, etc., and recommends glasses based on your choice. And once you're done, you can bring them straight into your Shopify store with Canvify. Let's walk through creating a basic shipping cost calculator. Go to Canva Code and type your prompt. Create a shipping cost calculator with the following requirements. Canva Code will instantly generate the tool for you. You'll get an interactive widget that you can put on your store right away. You can tweak the design or logic using follow-up prompts. Change the background to soft orange, or label the button, or even make the font bold and large. Once you're happy with it, click Add to Design, and you're now in Canva Editor. You can either copy and paste this into an existing website template, or you can publish this design as a website and use it anywhere on your Shopify store. You can now place the calculator in your landing page, product page, or an entire standalone web page. Now let's bring it to Shopify. Publish this as a website and copy its like. Come to Canvify app in your admin dashboard, paste the link and import. Now I will go to my theme editor and add this widget anywhere I want. Here we go. Let's preview it. And that's it. Your Canva-powered calculator is now live on your Shopify store. You can even add your product links and other useful data to create the widget as you want. Try Canva Code today and let Canvify bring it to life on your store.